Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we'll learn applications of trigonometry, exercise number 12.2. In that first problem we will see. First problem we will see how to solve it. So the problem is given like this. So first sentence is a TV tower stands vertically on the side of the road. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of the road. So one TV tower is there, it is standing vertically on the road, side of the road. Okay, so let us mark like this. This is TV tower. Okay, this is TV tower. Let us mark okay, tower, TV tower. Okay, next, from a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. So here one tower is there, no tower is there. To this tower directly opposite to this one point is there. Let us take that point here and join this foot of the tower. You will get one line. From this point is given an angle of elevation to the top of the tower, that is given as 60 degrees. That is the meaning of second sentence. From a point, so this is the point. Okay, on the other side directly opposite to the tower, angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. So we mark it here. Next, third sentence. Third sentence what is given, from another point 10 meters away from this point. So already we marked one point now here. From this point 10 meters away. 10 meters away. Let us take that point here. Okay, this is second point. Okay, from another point 10 meters away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower. So this point is joining one line to the foot of the tower. Yes, it is joining. Yes, next, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Okay, so at this point is given angle of elevation again to the top of the tower. So angle of elevation how much given here, 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. So we need to find the height of the tower. Height, this is height. So this is height of tower H. So H answer we need to find out, and also we need to find out width of the road. Width of the road. So width of the road means this one. This is width of the road. Width of road. So these two answers we need to find out. Height of tower, width of road. Okay, yes. So how to find out, we'll see now. So before starting this problem, we need to give the names for this. Names. Let us give A, this point as B, C, D. Okay, yes. So first we have to find out, here we have two triangles, A, C, D. ACD one triangle is there, and also BCD also we have. So from these two triangles we have to use and find the width of the road and height of the tower. Okay, yes. Now we will see solution. Okay, so what we will do, we will take one triangle first. We will take this triangle A, C, D. A, C, D triangle. triangle ACD. ACD triangle, if I take, what we will get? ACD, what we will get? We can apply tan 30, we can apply tan 30. So tan 30 you apply, tan 30 degrees equals to, so what is the general formula for tan opposite? 30 degrees opposite in this triangle, this one, H. CD is opposite, nothing but H, divided by 30 degrees adjacent. From A to B we have 10, and BC we don't have anything. Let us take X there. So then what is the adjacent for 30? 10 plus X. 10 plus X. So why I wrote here H means we are taking bigger triangle A, C, D. In this triangle for 30 degrees, which is opposite? This is the opposite, H. For 30 degrees, which is the adjacent side? AC is adjacent side. AC adjacent side means we have A to B 10, B to C X. So 10 plus X. Okay. Next. Tan 30, what is the answer? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equals to H by X. H by, this is not X, this is 10 plus X. Now do cross multiplication. So 10 plus X equals to H root 3. This is the answer we will get. So this one you take it as equation 1. This one you take it as equation 1. Now we need to take one more triangle, and we will get the second equation for that. Okay. Yes. Now I will take that second triangle here. So second triangle, what we will get? Second triangle, we have to take triangle BCD. BCD. So second triangle I am taking BCD triangle. If I take BCD triangle, what we can apply? We can apply tan 60. Tan 60. Okay, this is a triangle BCD. What is the opposite? H. What is adjacent? BC, that is X. Okay. Next, tan 60, what is the answer? Tan 60 answer is root 3 equals to H by X. Then root 3 you write as root 3 by 1. 1 into H. H equals to root 3x. This is second equation. Okay. First equation we got here. First equation we got this one. Second equation we got this. H answer we got root 3x. H answer we got root 3x. Now this H answer substitute here. H is equal to root 3x is there? No. Substitute in equation 1. We will get some answer for that. Okay. So what we have to do now? Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. Equation 2 means what? H answer. Okay. So equation 1, what we have? 10 plus x equals to H root 3. 10 plus x equals to, what is the H answer here? Root 3 x into root 3. Root 3x into root 3. So now what will you get? 10 plus x equals to root 3 into root 3. Root 3 whole square into x. Square root square cancel. So 10 plus x equals to 3x. So 3 is there here into x, 3x. Then 10 is equals to 3x minus x. Then 10 equals to 2x. X answer 5. X answer 5. We can cancel this one. 2 ones, 2 5s. X answer 5 we got. So x answer 5 if I get, I can find out some answer. Okay. Yes, observe here. H is equal to root 3x. H is equal to root 3x. So we can write now, therefore height of tower equals to, what is the height? H, that is equals to root 3x. So what is the x answer here? 5. So 5 root 3 meters. That's it. This is height of tower. But also we have to find width of road also we have to find out, no? Width. See here, this is the width. This is width of road. So width of road, what we can write? Width of road, therefore width of road equals to, this is AC. A to C is width of road, that is nothing but AC means what? AB plus BC. AB 10, BC x. X answer how much we got? X is equal to 5. Substitute here. So we will get 15 meters. Width of road is 15 meters. Height of tower is 5 root 3 meters. That's it.